Hello, everybody. I'm Diego Martinez, and we know that we had been in a struggle of this crisis of coronavirus. So, I'm giving you this message to you, to all the staff of the schools, the students in all schools, and the teachers to all schools. For staff, I wanted to say thank you for making our learning possible. The schools also. So, thank you for everything you have gave us. Secondly, teachers, we appreciate you by you giving us your knowledge and everything you know so we can be successful in the future. And for students, we also appreciate for teachers to help us in any way they can. They had offered us support and given us information that we need to be either learning at home a few months that we were in school or support for the coronavirus. I say thank you to all of you who have given us support so we can make our learning more possible. So I say thank you in behalf of me and everybody, to all teachers, students, and staff. Have a wonderful day, and we'll try to see each other when we can. Goodbye.